In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert HEIC to JPEG in Adobe Bridge. Now, this is actually super simple. As you can see, I have a random HEIC image over here. So to actually convert this to JPEG, all you have to do is open up this export panel. If it's not showing, go to Window up top and just click on Export and it's going to pop up. And you could do a custom export or you could just do a preset, which is going to be the easiest way. So if you want to do a custom export, you can go and drag the HEIC images onto custom export, and then you can just go down here and select the image format to be JPEG and the extension to be JPG, and then click on start export, and that's going to do the trick. However, if you want a simplified process, and if you have to do this like a lot of times and like every day or something, you can go and create a new preset over here. You can name this one. So for example, I'm going to name this one HEIC to JPEG, for example, and I'm going to click on save, and there we go. As you can see, I basically saved this preset. That's really all you have to do, because it's going to by default be converting into JPEG, but you can also double check. So whenever you actually give it a name, you can go to image down here where it says image format, make sure JPEG and .jpg is selected, and then just click on save. Now whenever you do this, you can just drag your HEIC images onto here, onto the this preset. So just drag and drop them on here like this. There we go. And then from here, just click on start export. It's going to export automatically, and it's going to save these into the same folder. And now they're going to be converted from HEIC into JPEG with the extension of JPG. Okay, so that's the easiest way to convert these. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.